I think the fastest way to learn this song is to practice the basic finger-picking pattern, the chord forms, which aren't too complicated, and then put them together. We'll start with the finger-picking pattern. Let's make a G chord using the 3rd fret of the 6th string and the 2nd string, 3rd fret also. We're not going to hit the 1st string here, so we're just using 6 through 2, the low E string up to that B string. Now I'm using my 3rd finger and pinky. This works for me. My pinky is just about as strong as all my other fingers. But if that's not the case for you, you may want to try it with your 2nd finger and your 3rd finger. Here's the picking pattern. 6, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4. 6, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4. Now I'm using the numbers of the strings. That's the easiest way for me to tell you which note to pick. And I'm placing my thumb on the 6th string for the bass note, and my 1st, 2nd, and 3rd fingers are resting right on that 4th string, 3rd string, and 2nd string. 1st finger on the 4th string, 3rd finger on the 2nd string. So try that much with me. Make your G chord in whatever way works for you. Place your fingers and just pluck all together. Let's make sure we got the same sound. Okay? Okay. Now we're going to hit bass, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4. If you get this picking pattern, you're 80% of the way through the tune. Do it. Bass, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4. Oh, caught you off guard, huh? Come on, get ready. Here we go. Place your hand together. 6, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4. And again, 6, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4. 6, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's the pattern, and you need to practice it. This is a case where I can't do the push-ups for you. I heard that a long time ago. I always wanted to say that. But in any case, I could show you till I'm blue in the face, and it won't make you do it unless you just do it over and over. Here's some tips. Stay relaxed. Place your fingers and then pull them into your palm. People get bad habits of yanking their hand away, and that actually creates more tension and makes it harder to get faster. So to make it smooth and fast, keep your fingers close to the strings. Thumb kind of goes more down, a little bit out, but think of it as going more down, and the fingers pull into your palm like this. This is what you're aiming for. Okay, I'm going on to the chords. You got the G chord already. The next chord I'm going to play like this. I'm going to put my 1st finger on the 6th string, 2nd fret, 2nd finger over here on the 3rd string, 2nd fret, and leave my pinky right where it is. It's a D with an F sharp in the bass. Now, this is not the only way to finger this for sure. You could finger it like this with your 2nd and 3rd fingers. If you played your G with your 2nd finger, you might want to switch down to your 1st finger and use your 2nd finger on the 3rd string. Okay, so with that, I'm going to play it the way I like to play it. This is what we got. We're going to do that twice. And then, now my 1st finger is going down, 2nd finger over. 3rd chord form. I've got my 3rd finger on the 3rd fret of the 5th string and 2nd finger on the 2nd fret of the 4th string. It's a type of C, often called C add 9. And those 3 chord forms are most of the tune. Then we go back. I'm going to show you 2 more chord forms, and then I'll show you how it all goes together. One of them is a regular folk style C chord. Hey, no mystery there. The next chord is the exact same fingering, but you move it up 2 frets. I'm not sure what you call it, but it's a form of a D chord. It's not quite a regular D. That sounds cool to me. So, that's all the chord forms in the whole tune. You practice the finger picking, then we put the chord forms to it. I'll show you how that works. Start with the G 2 times. Then go down to that D form. Now that's C, and back to the D. There's a pause there, and then start over. Down to that D again. to the C. I did a little hammer on there. And then back to the D. And again to the G. I'm showing you because now I'm going to show you where the other chord forms come in. To that D. Now to the folk style C. Again, a little hammer on. And then you slide it up 2 frets. Right hand stays on the same strings. Back to the G. Going down. And I think you got the drift now. That's it. I'll end here. Just quick, I want to show you what I did with that little hammer-on thing. I hit the 5th string, and then I opened up my 2nd finger on the 4th string and hammered it on when I hit the note. So it's... You see that? Left hand. And the same with the folk style C, exact same string. Kind of a cool little leg, but totally optional. Today is day 23 of my 30 Days of Guitar Coaching Challenge. Whew, day 23! I never would imagine I could do a video every day for 23 days until I did this. And anyway, thanks for being here with me. I'll be back tomorrow with day 24. If you have any requests for lessons during this last week, I'd love to hear about it. Leave me a comment in the comment below. Otherwise, I hope to see you again tomorrow. Bye for now.